Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Tiguan Headrest, easy method. Start by moving the seat to a comfortable position and tilting it for access. Locate the release button at the base of one post and press firmly with a flat tool or fingernail while pulling the headrest straight up. If your model has a trim cover, gently pry it first. Work slowly to avoid scratching leather or plastic surfaces. Prepare your workspace and tools before you start to make removal smooth and safe. Move the seat to give clear access, then fold or tilt it if needed to reach the headrest base. Use a wrapped screwdriver or plastic pry tool to press the release without marking trim. Keep a towel handy to protect upholstery from metal parts. Work patiently and test the release to confirm it moves freely before pulling up. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a bold, long-lasting scent that keeps your Tiguan smelling great after a DIY seat job. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in comfort while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by pressing the release button at the headrest base while pulling the headrest upward in a straight line. If the headrest sticks, press the release again and wiggle slightly while still pulling up to free the posts. Avoid tilting the headrest when removing to prevent bending the metal posts. Once free, inspect the posts and guides for dirt or corrosion and clean them before reinstalling to ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.